Hey everybody, thanks for coming by. I greatly appreciate it. Well, today I kind of have what I think is a unique find. And I didn't find it. A guy that I work with happened to be going to Spain. His wife had always wanted to go to Spain. And every time somebody in the office is going on a neat vacation, I always say, bring something back for me. Don't forget me. Bring me a souvenir. Blah, 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 blah. Well, most of the time I just get ignored. And this time I didn't. You know, when I go places, I try to be pretty nice and bring people back something, even if it's just a candy bar. But anyhow, that's all right. But this guy did remember me. His name is Mike. And he asked me what I wanted. And I said, I don't know, something with paper. I don't care. I don't care if you just save me your bags from places you go to. That's cool, just so they're paper. So anyway, this is what he brought me. First of all, and of course I'm not going to probably be able to say any of this, but I think this is the place that he got these paper items from. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Just the brochure itself to me is pretty cool. So I'm going to do something with that. Then these are bookmarks. And I have to say, I believe they are all cotton. And, you know, they'll be used for just the perfect thing. So I'm going to have to tuck these away. Yes, I will be hoarding them until that perfect thing comes along. And then this is a bag that he brought me. I don't know what came in it. But again, I thought it was pretty cool, even with this handle. You know, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it. But again, yes, it will be hoarded until that right thing comes along. Now, you know, I do show you this stuff. I'm not one much to show you, you know, the things that I get at Tuesday Morning or Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I like showing the unique stuff. Things that make you scratch your head and say, you know what? I never thought about looking there. Or I never thought about visiting a place like that. You know, like all the things that I've gotten from the auction. Who knew? I'm positive that there are auctions near all of you. So think about it. You know, of course, Goodwill, Salvation Army stores, thrift stores are a great find. But you can't go just once. You got to go back. You got to put it on your schedule. Take 15 minutes out of your lunch, swing by. Sometimes, to tell you the truth, I eat in the car going back to work because I spent so much time at the Goodwill that now my lunch is over. Yeah, and sometimes I just eat at my desk. But, okay, look around. You can find different things that nobody else has, I promise you. But you got to put a little effort into it. Anyway, got sidetracked. Let's open this one up. Now, this one I have not looked at. He said that it had some kind of watermark on it. Now, I can tell that this is a cotton paper as well. And, yeah, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to show the watermark. You can barely see it. It's like two men working on a wooden bench block thing. Just there, maybe right there, you can see it a little bit better. Let's see if I put something behind it that's darker. Does that help any? I'm not sure. Anyway, not quite sure what I'll do with this. I guess it could be put into a journal or a book and just fold it in half. This one, yeah, I'll have to hoard this one too for a little while. Now this one, I can kind of see a little bit of what it is. Alrighty, let's see. Of course, I don't know what it says, but every picture is different. Again, I don't know what it says. So sure, if anyone can tell me the story behind this, I would greatly appreciate it. And then these all look to be different as well. Except for maybe the last 3 lines below the squiggle. they look maybe like a signature. And then, yeah, the bottom ones are different as well from the top ones. And I just realized there are 2 pages. So, are these... You're not going to believe it. This one feels a little thinner weight paper, but these are different as well. This one here almost feels like it should be 2 compared to this one. But anyway, so I've got 2 totally different things here. So I'm tickled with that. Again, not quite sure what I'll do with these, but these I will be able to use a whole lot easier than the other items. But you know what's the best part about all of this? Is that he even thought about me. He carried those scrolls from Spain all the way back here to Georgia in one piece and not flattened. So I greatly appreciate that he thought about me, remembered me, and got me these goodies. So once again, be sure that you look in odd places. Don't give up. Don't go just one time. Go numerous times. You will be so surprised at the things that you find. I am not kidding you. And sometimes, sure, you'll say, well, do I really need that? Yes, you do. At least if maybe not right now, you will in the future. So, it's so funny. I can't tell you how many times I've kicked myself for not getting something. I'm not saying blow your budget. Don't do that. But if it's something that you think that you really can use and you kind of have a plan for it, go ahead, jump in there and get it. You'll be happy in the long run with it. And if not, you can resell it, you know, or you can give it back to Goodwill and it's a tax deduction. So anyway, I do appreciate it. And as always, if you see Mike Rowe out there, tell him I said hi. I will catch you all down the road, and I will see you hopefully in the next video. Catch you all later. Bye.